simple Qigong that help you to release the tensions and worries from your body, release all fear and anxieties. You feel your body shaking, let go all thoughts. You open your knees, square, your back straight. Dear friends, welcome back to Qigong Meditation. Today I would like to share with you the simple Qigong that help you to release the tensions and worries from your body. At the same time could be make your body calm and ease, release all fear and anxieties. Before we start, we will come back to our breathing. Inhale, deep. Exhale, slow. Feel contact between your 2 feet and the ground. Feel the energy with your dantian area. The first movements will be very simple. We call the shaking body and bouncing legs and toes. Okay, so we can feel our body. All the fingers will shake, right? Our elbows, our arms, and at the same time the shoulders. And also you raise up your toes and your heels, look like a bouncing. And then breathe in, breathe out. You feel your body shaking, let go all thoughts, worries. Just come back with your breath. You feel your body really moving. You feel your toes, your heels bouncing. You feel you bouncing, but actually your legs kneel down a little bit. You really feel. It takes like some time, about 1 or 2 minutes, to shake your body. You feel a little bit tensions from your legs, but at the same time that you release the tensions. Release tensions from toes, on your hands. Inhale deep, exhale slow. You will work out a lot with your knees and then your toes and your heels. Inhale, exhale. Next will be the movements we call the horse stance meditating. We will stand in, kneel down, our knees will bend down a little bit, yeah. And at the same time, you will join your palm together. So your two feet parallel will face this way. You open your knees square, your back straight. You join your palm together, right? Look like your body and mind come together. Cultivate concentration. Your 2 thumbs will cross in one and up the other, and touch your chest a little bit. Open your 2 elbows a little bit like this. You follow your in-breath and out-breath, let's say 10 times. Look like you work out with your knees, your laps. Breathe in, out. Inhale, exhale. You come back to your body in the present moments. Let go all worries, stress. Feel your body. After that, you can turn to the left side. Your left knee will be square, and the right knee is straight. And you continue to breathe in and out. Aware about your palm joined together. Be concentrated. Inhale, exhale. Your spine straight. Inhale, exhale. You're aware about your body is here. Your mind also is here. Bring awareness back to your 2 palms, 2 legs, lower abdomen. The next one we call the dragon, okay? This is my favorite one also. Standing your 2 feet together, so you may touch your 2 knees, okay? Like that. Join your palm.
So this is the head of your dragon, and the two legs will tail of the dragon, okay, and the whole body. Breathe in, lift your hands up, out, turn left, in, right, out, cut left, in, cut right, out, drop down to the left and look in the back. Inhale, up again, left, exhale, cut right, in, left, out, drop down to the right. Look in the back. Inhale, point to the left. Exhale, point right. In, left. Out, right. You use your knees now, okay? In, left. Out, right. In, center. Out, jump, and let it go. Exhale, left, in, right, out, cut left, in, cut right, out, drop down to the left, in, left, out, cut right, in, out, drop down to the left, to the right, in, one left, out, in, 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 center, out, jump and let it go. One more time. Inhale, exhale, left, in, right, out, cut left, in, right, out, drop down to the left, in, up, left, out, cut right, in, left, out, drop down to the right, in, point left, out, point right, in, left, out, right, in, left, out, right, in, center, out, jump and let it go completely. That's so wonderful. Open your palms, breathe in deep, out, slow, release all tensions from your shoulders, from your spine, your back. Then you can do massage movements. Put left palm inside, right palm outside, and then you can massage your lower abdomen with a clockwise direction. Press a little bit, breathe in. Feel wonderful to have opportunity to massage your lower abdomen. Improve your digestive system, okay? Circulate the blood for stomach. Okay, and then you massage your two palms together until you feel warm. And then side by side, the other hand. And then you can massage your face. Within. Your hand on your neck, and you can massage your neck. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, look down. Use two palms to push your neck in. In. That's wonderful. And then massage your lower back. Two hands. Massage your lower back and go down your two legs and go to front. So you can do 3 rounds like that. Release tension from your legs, from your hips, your lower back. Okay. Breathe in, raise your hands up. Out. Okay. To do the cleansing breath to release completely your tensions, worries from your body, okay, and from the mind. In. Stand by the toes. Out. One more time. In. So wonderful. Open your palms. Breathe in deep. Slow.